we speak of teach a person to fish, don't give them a fish. And that's as much a vocation, like I'm a software developer, as it is a way of thinking. I am an individual who can figure out the answer to a problem. And I come at it with different skills. I mean, I look at myself, and in any given moment when I'm faced with a challenge, which part of my life's learning is solving the problem? Is it Nyari, the person who's a trained accountant? Is it Nyari who's a business executive? Is it Nyari who is a long-distance runner? Or the cyclist who goes 110 kilometers and figures out how to cycle through the burn in the legs, you know? And the truth is, it's a convergence of all of these things. And in training, we've got to start to look at learning as a holistic building of a person, not just the vocation, but the ability to connect through everyday human experience into solving problems. If we can unleash the hive mind that is Africa's youth on Africa's problems, oh my God, I get goosebumps just thinking about it. And that's got to be our focus. That's got to be our focus, is where's the leg up that gets Africa's youth on a platform, even if it starts off a little rickety, where they say, I am empowered, I have agency. And yes, I see problems, but guess what? I've got what it takes in terms of a technical know-how, in terms of an ability to pragmatically deconstruct a problem, in terms of collaboration and network to actually solve this thing. I can sit in the same way that I went from not knowing how to code to knowing how to code. I can sit with a medical doctor and understand a problem of, reaching people in remote areas well enough to bring their medical mind and my technical mind to make a magical app that helps someone who's actually really suffering. And I think that's where we're trying to go to, is not just graduate machines that passed exams, but build humans, that are invested in the well-being of Africa, that are passionate about their capability and their skills and the world that they inhabit. And, start to create things that are useful, that are impactful, that we look back 10, 15 years from now and, we feel really foolish for the wasted years when we didn't pull in this capacity to the table. And we need to move away from that scarcity mentality. And I think that's one of the things that I always love about entrepreneurial minds, is it's that sense that we're not competing for these crumbs. We are here to create something bigger so that we can all then, step into the space. And that's what I see entrepreneur thinking as. And that's what I think technology is powerful at, is make the circle bigger. Make the circle bigger, make space for more people, because there's enough space for all of us in this world. There's enough opportunity for all of us in this world. As long as we're not waking up trying to protect one little corner and be the one person who's intelligent and, So let's open it up for more people to play.